This is definitely a great way to buy fuel line, and let me show you why. Sometimes you are working on fuel line in a tractor, an old truck or something like that, which I do a lot of, and people might have modified it and you don't know it. So if you get the line, just one size line, you may end up in a situation where it just won't work. In this kit, you have 4 different sizes. You have the 3/8, 3/16, 5/16, and 1/4 inch. And it comes with clamps for all sizes as well. So you may be dealing with, in this case, this size line, or maybe a smaller line, and it's hard to tell. Now these are pretty significantly different, but in some cases, if you're crawling around under a vehicle or your tractor or something, it might be hard to tell. So picking up a kit like this, you're most likely going to be covered. So if I take this largest size, it will fit on there, and you probably could clamp it tight, but it's really not quite the right one. But since you got this kit here, it has everything in it, several sizes, you have the right one that's going to fit on here nice and snug, and you're not going to end up with a leak. And then of course it comes with the clamps to clamp it down. I just slide that over my fitting, my pipe if I'm trying to extend it to, or you could squeeze it and put it over the hose as well. You get the hose on there. That in itself is already pretty tight, but if you go ahead and add this clamp to it, just like this, let that go. That is a nice strong fitting, nice strong connection, and you're not going to have trouble with it. So just picking up any old fuel line, shoving it on and trying to clamp it down is not the way to go. Make sure you get the right fuel line for your situation, and by picking up this kit, you got 4 sizes to choose from and the clamps to go with it to make several different connections. And like I said, when you're working on tractors and stuff like I do, and old trucks, you're always running into this, and you want some good quality line. Now this stuff is good for 300 psi hose, so this is really going to cover a lot of different applications for you, and you're going to be ready to go. And you have a decent amount of each one. Lots of times you're only needing a small piece, so this is going to cover most of your applications. Now these guys were nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this test and review, and I just happened to have a situation where I got to extend the line a little bit, replace an old one, so that's why I got this kit, and it allowed me to kind of show it to you as well. But they were nice enough to send it out to me, and I want to thank them for that. And hopefully this short video helps you out. But yeah, this is a good quality hose set, and it's got pretty much everything you need for 4, 5, 6 different applications, and you are going to be ready to go. So if you get ready to click on that order button, now you know what you're going to get.